guys, today I'm trying to get rares from my friends because I got so much rare friends and yeah. Oh my gosh, it's frozen. So what I'm gonna do, I think I did it right. I don't know. But I just wanted to say thank you so much for 30 subscribers. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much for 31 subscribers. Oh my gosh, that's a so big count number for me. And I didn't have so much at the start when I started making videos. But it was like really, I was shaking. So yeah, let's start right now. I got so much fans. And yeah. Okay. First, I'm going to the shop and go on Friends again. And I traded right now on my traded Team Jakob shirt and I don't know, this thingy thing for Diamond Pack rare here. So yeah. Oh, that's cute, but I got them so much. Oh my gosh! Is that an ultra? I don't know, guys. If it's an ultra, just comment down below. I don't know, guys. Okay, I knew it, like, maybe. Yeah, it's rare week. I guess tomorrow's rare week, or yeah, I don't know. Oh my gosh, I want my fishnet back because I got scammed. If you want to trade me, I'm on the German server. At me. This is my name. I'm gonna make it in the description so you can't at me. Oh my gosh, I need to do it in literally, I don't know, some minutes, my homework, because I was in school. Oh my gosh, Stars Cat. I'm just gonna make it on my video. I don't know if it's real, but I guess not. But I don't really care. Is this an ultra? What is it? I knew it. Because Winter Boots is... Oh. No, I don't know. I thought that was like Flower Tiara or something. Nah. Just... that's nothing special, guys. Nothing. I didn't cry. I love this color, but I didn't get the color. Ew. There's no rare trader online. What the fuck is this? Okay, I guess there's nothing rare right now. Okay, the last page will be exciting for us all. Anyway, why is this fucking ugly shirt for 200? That's so rude, MSP. Okay, the top, the cat thing, and this spider lashes. That's not good for me. But the only rare that I got was this hat. Was really sad. But I got something on my wishy, and that's this all things. So if you want to buy it, you can also buy it. I would really be excited when you do this. So yeah. first I'm going into a room. By the way, if you want that I'm making an Canada, UK or USA server account, then comment down below if I should do this. When no, then I'm just gonna be on Rare Diamond, also on the German MSP. So yeah, if you want it, I will just stay on this Rare account. I'm making my main then and my Rare account, but I'm gonna level without. I don't know. I don't want to send rares to coins for. I'm sorry, but I think she's inactive, so why I should do it. I need one more coin. I can't just go in my. Okay, that's good. No, I didn't love my room. No, whatever you saying, I didn't love it. So it's just a little fake. I just clickbaited, right? Okay, sorry. It's so funny right now. By the way, she uploaded a new YouTube video, so I got to check out her YouTube video, cause she's so funny and really cute, and yeah, her YouTube channel was her YouTube channel? Fuck. Just go on my trade video, scroll down, and here is the YouTube channel of hers. She didn't post it. Why didn't you post this fucking video? Okay. But go on this video, like it, subscribe her, and yeah, she's a really cute person. I'm just gonna like her. By the way, turn on the post notification of her, cause she's so cute. Okay, just gonna log them all. What the fuck is this? Oh, that's right. I'm so sorry. Queen! Oh my gosh. I thought, who the fuck is this? And then I'm so sorry. What the fuck? What are you doing? You make me scared right now. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks. Oh, it's so cute. That's cute. Thank you so much. Okay, she said hey back, so...
What the fuck?
She said hey YouTube, and I just said hey back.
Hell no. Just gonna recycle them.
By the way, if you want that I'm making a little video where I am making people styling in a cute look, so comment down below if you want that I'm doing it. Oh, hey YouTube. Okay. Going on friends and bruh. What is this? What was this glitch? Lol. Okay, let's see. There was nothing. What's kind of sad. YouTube channel, Aquariums P. Aquariums P. I don't know. Wow. Go subscribe. I'm just gonna. Okay, no. Thanks. Wait, I didn't say something that's sad, really. Just gonna log into my Skype. Okay, I'm scared. I'm just gonna post right now, cause then you can't see my Skype name when I don't want. So you get back. Okay, I log it in right now. It's loading. Yep. Yeah, I know you're right. Okay. Where's the fuck is it right now? I'm just crying. Cause where's the fucking cartoon hat? But what was called this fucking cartoon hat? Now that I have 11 pages, cause then now is now my friend, cause I'm so cute, right? Is that her? I don't know. No, I thought that was T. I'm cute. I'm fucking cute, right? Okay, guys, I think that was the video. I hope you enjoyed, and yes, then like this video, and I am greeting, Havana, cause she's so cute right now, and, Lainey, and then I'm greeting right now, Queen X, and yeah, I'm just gonna search where the fucking cartoon head is. I don't find it. What's kind of sad, cause I love this cartoon head. Did she? I don't know. Bye guys, let me say something.